Namaste everyone, welcome back to my channel Physio Vitals. I am Dr. Ankita Savan and today we are diving into the fascinating world of body fluids physiology. We'll break down how fluids are distributed in our body, what their functions are, how the balance is maintained. Let's jump right in. So the human body is a complex system which is sustained by a network of interconnected body fluids, each playing a vital role in maintaining hemostasis and supporting the various physiological processes. So, our body is made up of approximately 60% of water, and this water is distributed between different compartments. So, each playing a crucial role in maintaining hemostasis. So broadly, body fluids are divided into two main categories. One is intracellular and the second is extracellular fluid. So the overview of body fluids, as I said, intracellular, extracellular, plasma, lymph we'll discuss. So in intracellular, found with the cells providing a medium for essential biochemical reactions. Extracellular, on the other hand, surrounds the cell, facilitating transport of nutrients, gases, and waste products. Plasma, the liquid component of blood responsible for transporting various substances. And the lymph, a clear fluid that circulates through the lymphatic system, aiding immune function. So the intracellular fluids, or the ICF, is a fluid which is found inside the cell, and it accounts about 2/3 of the total body weight. Okay, so they are inside the cell and they are 2/3 account about 2/3 of the total body weight. This is where most of our cells metabolic activity takes place, including the transport of nutrients, removal of waste products, and energy production. The key ion in the intracellular fluid are the potassium and phosphate. On the other hand, the extracellular fluid, or the ECFs, is the fluid which is outside the cells. This includes two main components: the interstitial fluids, which bathes the cells, and the plasma, which is the fluid portion of the blood. And together, these make up about 1/3 of the total body weight. The major ions here are the sodium and chloride. So, to sum it up, the body has around 42 liters of fluid. Okay, so it has 42 liters of fluid with 28 liters in the intracellular space, 11 liters in the interstitial space, and 3 liters in the plasma. So while the extracellular fluid is smaller, it plays a huge role in transporting and communicating between the cells. So body composition wise, first water, the primary component which is accounting for 50 to 60% of total body weight, as I discussed. Electrolyte, on the other hand, ions like sodium, potassium, chloride that maintain fluid balance and pH. Organic solutes, proteins, carbohydrates, lipids that serve as nutrients and signaling molecules. So now let's take a closer look on the compositions. So the intracellular fluid is rich in potassium, magnesium, phosphate, while the extracellular is rich in sodium, chloride, and bicarbonates. So these differences are crucial for the cellular functions like generating electrical impulses in the nerves or the muscles. So now regulation of body fluid hemostasis, fluid intake, the thirst mechanisms, and hormones like vasopressin regulates fluid intake, fluid excretion, the kidney which filters. I have already discussed the kidney section. I'll provide you the link in description. Kindly check the kidney video. So fluid excretion, the kidneys filter and excrete excess water and solutes to maintain the balance. Then fluid distribution, osmotic gradients, and the cardiovascular system distribute fluids throughout the body. So, but how do fluids move between these compartments? The answer is osmosis. How does the fluid move? Due to osmosis. So the movement of water across a membrane from an area of low solute concentration to high solute concentration, this ensures that fluid balance is maintained. So the body tightly regulates fluid balance through mechanism involving kidneys, hormones which we just saw like antidiuretic hormones, aldosterone, and even thirst uh, mechanism when there's too much or too little water. So these systems kick in to restore balance. Function of body fluids: nutrient transport. Body fluids carry oxygen, glucose, amino acids and other essential nutrients to cell. Waste removal: fluids like blood and urine flush out metabolic waste products from the body. Regulation: fluids help maintain temperature, pH and other hemostatic parameters. Protection: body fluids such as cerebrospinal fluid provide cushioning and protection of organs. So, understanding the body fluids is crucial in clinical settings. For instance, conditions like dehydration and overhydration can lead to serious complications. Medical professionals use this knowledge to manage patients' fluid levels, whether they are given IV fluids or adjusting medications. So dehydration, excessive fluid loss leading to electrolyte imbalance and organ dysfunction. Whereas edema, excessive fluid accumulation in tissues causing swelling and other complications. Electrolyte disturbances, imbalance in sodium, potassium or other ions which are disrupting the cellular function. Diagnostics tests for the body fluids: we have blood tests in which analyzes the composition and properties of blood to assess overall health. Urine test evaluate the chemical, physical and microscopic properties of urine. Cerebrospinal fluid analysis examine the fluid surrounding the brain and spinal cord for neurological conditions. Clinical application: fluid replacement therapy, we have restoring fluids and electrolyte balance in dehydration or shock. Dialysis, filtering and purifying blood or other body fluids for those with kidney failures. Organ transplantation में maintaining the viability of transplanted organs through perfusion with specialized fluids. So that's a wrap about the body fluid physiology, from the intracellular and extracellular compartments to osmosis and hormonal regulations. Fluids play a key role in keeping our body functioning smooth. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more deep dives into physiology and medicine. So keep learning. God bless you all. Thank you.